Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to set custom nickname for someone in Messenger. For this, go to your Messenger, then click on the person you want to change the nickname. Click on this I button here. Now go to nicknames, click on set nickname for that user you want to change. Now I want to give him the name Victoria, and now click on setting. So as you can see, when we are back, his name is set to Bitrayed. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.